Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I would like to show you how to change folder color in Google Drive. Okay, let's get to it. First of all, open your Drive app on your phone. And then after you open your Google Drive, you can choose the drive or the folder of your drive that you want to change the color. And I'll go with photos, this one. And then after you choose the folder, you can click on this button. Click on this button, like this three dot button. Click on it and choose change color right here. And then pick the color that you want to put on your folder, and I'll go with green color. Okay, and now the color has changed, and change the color of your folder will make you easier to find the folder when you have a lot of folders on your Google Drive. Okay, that's the tutorial for today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye.